Hi friends, let's create this time glitch. That's a lot of fun, so let's get into it. So with your clip on the timeline, select your clip and then duplicate it by hitting Alt on the keyboard and dragging it up with your mouse. And then with the comma or period key on your keyboard, you will with the new key selected, you move it 2 frames to the right. Let's zoom into the timeline a little. I do that by keeping Alt pressed and using my scroll wheel. You also can do that here with the slider. And what I do here is I make first sure that I didn't select any clip because I want to cut them both. So what I do here is I go a little bit in and then I hit Ctrl B on the keyboard so I have both clips cut. Then I move the playhead 2 frames further and hit Ctrl B again, and I repeat that to my liking. I do that quite some times, always 2 frames. With the arrow keys you go with the playhead to the right, always 2 frames, and then Ctrl B to cut your clips. I'm doing that because we want to have a nice example when we are done. So what we do now is I'm going and delete the end of the lower clip, here of the bottom clip, hit the backspace, not the delete key. And what I'm doing now is I drag the upper end of the clips 1 video track down, and now starting, I zoom a little bit in more so you can see, on the lower I will now in a pattern delete these frames, 1 above, 1 below, and it will make sense in a moment. I delete the beginning of this upper clip. Then I select all these little clips on the video track 2 and move them down to video track 1. And then I'm going to the beginning. And now let's have a look in full screen. That's one nice time glitch. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day ahead. I hope you have a lot of fun with this effect. And yeah, consider subscribing. Goodbye.